In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an account number in your chart of accounts. Account numbers make your financial data easier to sort, report on, and keep consistent across your books. They're especially helpful when you need to group similar accounts together or follow a standardized numbering system for your organization. In just a few clicks, you can add or update an account number so it appears wherever that account is used. Start by heading to the gear icon. You'll usually find this at the top of your screen. It's the central hub for settings and lists. Open it, then select Chart of Accounts. This is the master list of every account in your company file: assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Next, find the account you want to number. If your list is long, use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by name, type, or detail type. Take a moment to make sure you've got the exact account you want, since multiple accounts can have similar names. Once you've located the account, look to the right side of that row for the drop-down arrow next to View Register. Click that drop-down and choose Edit. This opens the account's details so you can make changes safely without affecting any underlying transactions. In the Number field, type the account number you want to use. Keep your numbering consistent with your organization's structure. For example, many teams use a simple pattern like assets in the 1000s, liabilities in the 2000s, equity in the 3000s, income in the 4000s, and expenses in the 5000s or beyond. If you already have a numbering scheme, follow it exactly. Use leading zeros if you want numbers to align neatly, and avoid duplicates so reports don't get confusing. When you're satisfied, click Save and Close. Your change is recorded immediately. You should now see the number appear for that account in the chart of accounts, typically in the number column. If you ever need to update it again, repeat these same steps. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see a number field in the edit screen, the account number feature may be turned off in your company's settings, or your access may be limited. In that case, check with your admin or review your accounting preferences. Also, be careful when renumbering active accounts that appear in recurring transactions or budgets. Consistency matters for clean reporting. That's it. You've added an account number quickly and correctly, and your chart of accounts is now more organized and easier to manage.